Good afternoon, everyone. I, Pranjali, along with my batchmates, are here to present our project presentation on diabetes mellitus prediction. Mangalam, Suhaib, and Sejal. So our presentation workflow will be: firstly, we will introduce our project, then what proposed solution we are giving, then the workflow of the project, whatever we did, then the trained model and algorithms we use, then future scopes, conclusion, and bibliography. So, if we talk about introduction, we all know that our human body is affected with many diseases. Some are curable and some are not. So, diabetes is one of them. So, diabetes basically blood sugar level. We check the blood sugar level in diabetes. So our project suggests that LEDs that can be used by doctors or other professionals using GUI. The project goal is to build a chatApp to the interface between doctor and the patient. So basically, our proposed solution will be we have learned about many algorithms, and there are 537 million adults which are suffering from diabetes. So this there will be two sets that whether the person will be diabetic or not. So so doctors and patients fall under this will be a chat app where we will do the communication between the doctor and the patient. Further, Suhaib will explain about further slides. Okay.
So why machine learning? Machine learning is a branch. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So we have focused on machine learning because the only method for the prediction as of now, which is generally approachable, is machine learning. It is a sub branch of deep learning and artificial intelligence. Currently, machine learning is used as in its development phase. Many people are using it and working for research. Its main applications nowadays are it is used in AR and VR and other prediction models also. So, how does our prediction model or the machine learning will work? First, we will take the data from different sites or different hospitals which are related to us, approachable, and then we will train the model, the data. We will perform the cleaning of the data, and we will train our model for the prediction. Types of machine learning. So basically, it is classified into supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of learning which the name itself is defined, which means supervision. Supervision means we have already presented the data to the algorithm, which is already labeled. So in supervised learning, we are using a classification approach. Classification approach is basically used in the models where we have only two results. The approach is answer is either 0 or 1. We have two sets of answer only.
Okay, this will be our general workflow. We have taken the data set, we processed it, applied different algorithms, performance evaluation, and then we will the result. The algorithms that we will be focusing on will be in the next few slides. The first one is support vector machine learning algorithm. This is a simple algorithm. It basically creates the best line, and from that we determine whether the person has diabetes or not, which is binary input. Decision tree. Decision tree is another type of supervised, where the nodes and the leaf nodes will give the result. The internal nodes are the labels of the data that we are using. Naive Bayes is another probabilistic based algorithm that we will be using for the classification part of it. Logistic regression is a classification for basically it's also similar. It works on a discrete values and gives the output accordingly. These are the requirements. We have right now, this is the splitting aspect of the data that we are doing. The 70-30 split is of the data. That is the approach we are doing. In testing and training part, that will be 30% will be the test data and 30% will be the training data. Now, what is different, as we have already said, already many people have worked on different kinds of algorithms for classification. Now, what should we do different in this? And this is where we approach the assemble approach, which is kind of different. We combine low models which give low accuracy, and we, in the hopes of generating better robust model. Basically, assembly creates a robust model of models which are already low accuracy. That's the goal of it. There are three types of it. We will be mostly focusing on the boosting part of it, bagging, boosting, and stacking of assembly. Now, this is the general. We have the this is the front end aspect of it. We will take textual input, and this is the first part of it. We want to create a complete system. We want to create a kind of like a middleman. A person gets a report from the radiologist, he can enter the data and then further move to get the prediction by himself, and then connect also to the chatApp features, which he can connect to the directly to the doctor or the medical professional. This is our approach, and this is general UI design. This will be the client server architecture of it, and I would like to call Sejal for the conclusion of it.
Now, concluding this project is a comprehensive study about some algorithms. Those algorithms are SVM, which is the support vector machine, logistic regression, and decision tree classification, which predict disease like diabetes. Future scope. So this model can expand to create a proper communication channel between doctor and patient, along with prediction models, where the patient also have access to these models and manage their health virtually by doctors. And this model can also create online solution.
Okay, go back to previous slides. That you have make that chatting features model. I think you have to make some framework.
This is the UI part of it.
Yes, but in the slide you should have mentioned some framework that complete show your flows of the data, where you pick up the data and what is going on the further process and what actually you are doing. That in pre-processing and post-processing should be there. Okay.
We have given a smaller.
No, that requires the overall framework. That could be a paper.
Okay.
That is the proposal of framework. You can write a paper on that part. That show that is some concept that you are going to do.
Yes,
okay.
actually we are planning to perform the research.
That means you can publish your paper on two portions. That means one is for your framework part, including some literature survey, and other part is your execution. That show what is the different, what kinds of findings you have. It could be there like that. Okay. And you said that there is we have earlier discussed that something hybrid approach could be give you some more accurate flow. But is there? I think you should have work on that part. There is no meaning of to combining anything to generate something new, which gives you some better efficiency. I don't think it could be. Okay. So just study some more materials and work accordingly. Okay. Okay. Thank you.